Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair connect these to an Android phone, or this is a Samsung Galaxy S26 phone. Connect directly via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these in a pairing mode. So I'm going to leave the buds in the case. I'm going to open up the lid here. Now I'll notice in pairing mode, if the light here is blinking 3 colors, blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Mine's not blinking blue, red, green. So if I look on the back here, you have this little button here. I'm going to press and hold for like 4 or 5 seconds until it starts blinking blue, red, green, blue, red, green. So button here, ready, go. Press and hold. I'm still holding, keep holding, wait. Okay, there we go. Now let go, and now it is in pairing mode. Okay, so from here, if you get a pop-up like this, you can connect that way, or you can just ignore that window, or if you don't get a pop-up window, no problem. Just go directly to your settings. We're going to go to connections here, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that little spinning thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's in pairing mode. It's blinking those 3 colors. There's my Galaxy 4 or Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Let me tap on that. We should get a pairing request with Android phones. Let's tap on pair. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. I don't use the Samsung wearable app, but anyway, there we go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.